Okay, these are the based on my personal experience, the other, the observations like from the other IT colleagues and the managers, the different way basically. So based on this experience, I have just collected some important tips for you. It might be someone, it might help someone, or it might not help someone, or the person. It's depend on their different thought process. Okay, but I'm just trying to collect this important tips, so it might help someone. Okay, so first tips will be, the communication skills. If you want to work in the IT industry, you should have a very, good communication skill basically. Because some in the when we work with the real time projects, we might need to speak with the clients, basically the foreign client, and with the different teams, internal teams. So in that case, having the good communication skill will definitely help out. Okay, then the theoretical knowledge. If you are working in the particular tech stack, so we can continuously the read, explore the documentation about the particular tech stack. Okay, so having the theoretical knowledge and having the practice to read that, it's a very good thing. Okay, in the IT industry. Then hands-on practice. This is the one of the most, the good habit, basically, if I can say. So being the hands-on practice with the number of tech stack you are working, this will help to increase the confidence level. Okay, so this is more important tips for this. Then we need to keep ourselves updated, because nowadays you can see the number of technologies coming in the market, the AI based generative AI, basically the chat GPT or Google Bards or something. So every period in the sense, every month, or might be the quarter, there might be a new technology comes, or the if you are working already some features like the AWS cloud, there might be some other services roll out with the advanced features. So in that situation, we need to keep ourselves updated, because if we don't keep updated, we might lose something in the when we when we want to grow as a career. These are the four important tips we can just follow in the if you want to career in the IT industry. Okay.